Google has officially announced the Pixel 9 series, but what can we expect from the Pro models? From design tweaks to color options, and even new display features, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Recently, we got a closer look at the specs and colors for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. According to leaks, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL will be available in charcoal, porcelain, hazel, and rose. Interestingly, the rumored aloe color will be a web exclusive, not shown in the product shots available to retailers. One standout detail is the design of the protective silicone cases for the Pro models. The cases feature significant sculpting around the camera island cutouts, providing a pronounced curve. Google's new design for the Pixel phones includes an almost cliff-edge drop from the camera island to the back of the case, a bold move that might dilute the Pixel's unique identity when the phone is encased. Prolific leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, also known as OnLeaks, has shared new insights into the display design of the Pixel 9 family. This year, we're seeing not just 2 but 3 models, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, along with a specialized Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Unlike last year's Pixel Fold, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is part of the main Pixel line, but remains a unique choice due to its foldable design. Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will boast a larger 6.8-inch display. Unlike previous models, the Pixel 9 Pro is designed to be a smaller, high-spec device, catering to those who want flagship performance in a more compact form. There's a growing demand for smaller smartphones that don't compromise on performance. The Pixel 9 Pro aims to fill this niche, but it's uncertain whether it will be considered a small phone by users. With the Pixel 9 Pro XL taking on the role of last year's Pixel 8 Pro, offering larger screens and higher specs, the Pixel 9 Pro sits in an interesting middle ground. To wrap up, Google's Pixel 9 series is shaping up to offer a variety of options to meet different needs, from the compact yet powerful Pixel 9 Pro to the expansive Pixel 9 Pro XL and the unique Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech releases. See you next time.